My car.
Okay, Nick.
Put your wait. Look ahead of you.
Wait, in order to.
I know. Use one foot.
He's so little.
No, look it. Look it. In order to move this, you have to press the brake.
I know.
Turn off the radio. He has to concentrate.
Which one do I put it on?
Okay, slowly. Nick, slow. Nick.
I can't see.
Okay, put your foot on the gas, on the brake. Brake, stop, brake. Okay, now go. Turn. Not all. Okay, slow. Okay, my 13-year-old is driving. Watch out.
Put your hand on the wheel.
Oh.
You can go faster.
No, he can't.
You go as fast as you want, homie.
Yeah. Put your foot on the brake.
Not that hard. No, turn.
I know how to drive.
Go that way so you can turn and park.
But watch out when you park, because my car's low. Honk so the kids can see. Okay. Okay, wait, no, come out and then in. No, Brian, let him do it. Put your foot on the gas. On the brake.
You're horrible. Now you have to reverse and back up and do it again. Wait, no, you're gonna reverse.
Okay, I'll park.
Now let go of the brake.
Right. Okay, stop. Watch out. You're in Aubrey's room.
Wait.
Okay, not that fast, because my car. No, let me do it. Let me stop. Put it in park.
Let me do it, Mom.